Have you ever wondered how ancient stories could shape the land itself? In Australia, the world's oldest continuous culture has an answer: Dreamtime. Dreamtime, or the dreaming, isn't just a myth for Aboriginal Australians. It's the living story of creation, where ancestors called Dreamtime beings sang the world into existence. Every mountain, river, and animal holds a song, a story, a spirit. These Dreamtime beings weren't ordinary deities. They transformed, shifting from human to animal to land. They carved out pathways called Songlines, unseen maps of culture and memory stretching across deserts and forests for thousands of miles. Imagine walking the same paths as your ancestors, guided not by GPS, but by legend, song, and ceremonial dance. Each clan belongs to these stories, guardians of totems like the kangaroo, crocodile, or eagle, passed down in sacred responsibility since the beginning. In Dreamtime belief, time isn't a straight line. Past, present, and future exist as one, meaning every ritual today links directly back to creation itself. When elders share stories under the stars, they're not just recalling history, they're reliving it, keeping the world alive. Take the rainbow serpent. Across half the continent, countless nations share versions of this Dreamtime being. The serpent slithered across the land, carving rivers and waterholes, shaping life. And its powers are feared and revered even now. Aboriginal languages are as diverse as Europe's, but Dreamtime stories weave between them, connecting hundreds of nations. Each dreaming story is tied to specific land. If you're born there, you inherit that dreaming, your spiritual address. It's your duty to protect it. Art and symbols bring Dreamtime into daily life. Intricate dot paintings aren't just beautiful, they're maps of stories. Body painting at a corroboree marks you as part of the narrative, moved by rhythms and sacred song. Some dreamings are shared, others are secret, passed only to initiated adults. Knowledge is power, and Dreamtime wisdom is given with strict rules. Breaking them could bring chaos or even sickness, as the balance of the world depends on these laws. Aboriginal astronomy is woven into Dreamtime too. The dark spaces between the stars tell stories, like the emu in the sky, whose outline guides when to gather eggs or hunt. When British colonists arrived, their world was upended. Sacred places were destroyed or fenced, languages banned. Yet even after 2 centuries of upheaval, Dreamtime stories survived, resilient, whispered, sung, painted, and remembered. Today, Dreamtime shapes Indigenous identity. It teaches respect for country, for elders, and for every living thing. Listen closely. In every wind through gum leaves, you might hear a fragment of the dreaming, echoing from the world's oldest storytellers. The Dreamtime isn't the past. It's all time, and it's still guiding, teaching, and holding the secret heart of Australia. How do you honor your own stories? Because in the dreaming, stories don't end. They become the world itself. Ready to journey further through history's untold chapters? Join us next time to glimpse more hidden wonders of our planet.